Let's do some homework problems for sampling distribution of sample mean. For number 11, sample size and population mu, population sigma, and mu for x bar and sigma x bar. So you can directly just copy here 185.4 and sigma x bar, 2 decimals is 3.97. Here is mu x bar, so 185.4. So this number is mu plus 2 sigma. The answers here. Number 13. For the first question, for the standard deviation, we know we get based on the formula, standard deviation is this. Be careful for the B and C. They look very similar, but the C, this is for the sample. Here is the population. So for the B, this is less than. So we just choose the first case. So the B here is norm distribution, and X is 66.7, and the mean and the standard deviation, you need to choose is 2.19. That's the population sigma, and the true. Always choose true. For C is norm distribution, and this sigma for x bar is not the population sigma, and true. The last one means the bottom here is 15%. That means this area is 0.15. Then you want to get to this variable x. So is norm inverse. So the left side area to this unknown variable is 0.15. The mean is 67.2. The standard deviation is this number. So hit enter. Now let's copy all the answers. Now let's do number 15. 15, the first one is greater than, so we choose this second case is more than, is equals 1 minus norm distribution, and x is 62, mean is 60, and the deviation, be careful, here is x bar, so you need to choose this sigma for x bar and true. Second one is less than, so directly norm distribution, and the x is 65.6, and the mu x bar and sigma x bar, because you see this is variable sample mean x bar and true. And the third one is between case, so is norm distribution, upper bound, and the mu is 60, standard deviation here and true, minus norm distribution, the lower bound is 62 and true. Okay, now let's input all the numbers. Number 16. 16 is very simple. You just based on this mu x bar, always just this mu, population mu. This sigma for x bar is population sigma divided by square root of that. So you could do by yourself. And number 17 is ask you the sample mean x bar greater than, so more than this case, equals 1 minus norm distribution 105.2. Mean is this, mu is it, because it's for x bar and true. So we get this answer because it is 4 decimal places. Number 18 is also for x bar, is between case. So the between case is upper bound is 216.2, and then mu and the sigma and the true, minus lower bound and the mu sigma and the true. Okay, so is 0.1055.